Welcome to the tutorial on how to save Mapme on your iPhone. If you have the QR code, you can take a screenshot and then you can save it to your photos. And then go into your photos and find your screenshot, open it up, press down on the QR code, and it will allow you to open it up in Safari or whatever browser you have. Once you get there, you can go down to the bottom right hand corner with the three dots, click on it, and then do save or add to your bookmarks. Then you can go back down to the three dots and check to make sure you have it, and then just go into bookmarks, and there it should be, and you're all set, and you can access it at any time. Thank you.